अस्सलामु अलैकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुह। Welcome to Madani Islamic Academy Quran Tajweed course online. Viewers, in this video we will continue our lesson number 10. In this lesson we will learn about harkat, tanween, the letters of madda, vertical or khadi harkat, and the letters of leen. These all rules we have already learned and we have already completed in our previous videos. In this video we will learn more about these rules and we will do more practice. Before starting our video, our lesson, kindly subscribe my channel Madani Islamic Academy Quran Tajweed course online. Let's start the lesson. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. This lesson comprises all the previous lessons, that is harkat, tanween, the letters of madda, vertical or khadi harkat, and the letters of leen. Apply all the rules, practice the recognition of letters thoroughly and spell them out correctly, especially huruf-e mustaliya or mustaliya letters. Let's start. Ya zabar ya, dal ya zabar dai, yadai, ha zer hi, yadaihi. Here zabar before ya sakin, this is ya leen, and leen letters we pronounce without stretching or without sudden pausing the voice. Recite like this: yadaihi, yadaihi. The next is ha ya zabar hai, sa pesh su, haythu, haythu. This is zabar before ya sakin, this is ya leen, and leen letters we pronounce without stretching. Recite like this: haythu, haythu. The next is ghain, ya zabar ghai, ba pesh bu, ghaibu, ghaibu. Here zabar before ya sakin, this is ya leen, and leen letters we pronounce without stretching. Recite like this: ghaibu, ghaibu. The next is sin zabar sa, mim khada zabar ma, sama, वाव खड़ा ज़बर वा, समावा, ता दो ज़ेर तीन, समावातिन. This is vertical harkat or खड़ा ज़बर. This is also vertical harkat, खड़ा ज़बर, and this is tanween. Vertical harkat we pronounce by stretching up to one alif or two harkat. Recite like this: samavatin. The next is kaf zabar ka, lam zirli, kali, मीम खड़ा ज़बर मा, कलीमा, ता दो ज़ेर तीन, कलीमातिन. Here खड़ा ज़बर और वर्टिकल ज़बर और खड़ी हरकत, एंड दिस इज़ तनवीन. वी प्रोनाउंस वर्टिकल हरकत by stretching up to one alif or two harakat. Recite like this: kalimatin, kalimatin. The next is lam zabar la, sheen ya zabar shay, la shay. हमजा दो पेश उन, लशई उन, लशई उन. Here zabar before ya sakin, this is ya lean, and lean letters we pronounce without stretching, and this is two pesh or do pesh. Recite like this: lashai un, lashai un. The next is qaf pesh qu, ra ya zabar rai, qurai. Sheen do zeshin, quraishin, quraishin. Here zabar before ya sakin, this is ya lean, and we pronounce lean letters without stretching, and this is tanween, two zer. Recite like this: quraishin, quraishin. The next is ba zabar ba, ba zer bi. Hamza khada zabar a, bi a. Ya खड़ा ज़बर या, बी आ या. ता ज़ेर ती, बी आ या ती. नून अलिफ ज़बर ना, बी आ या ती ना. Here this is vertical हरकत और vertical ज़बर और खड़ा ज़बर, and this is alif madda, this is zabar before alif sakin, this is alif madda. Vertical harakat and madda letters we pronounce by stretching up to one alif or two harakat. Recite like this: bi ayatina, bi ayatina. The next is meem zer mi, ha khada zabar ha, miha. dal do zabardan, mihadan. Here vertical harakat or vertical zabar, and this is tanween, two zabar. Vertical harakat we pronounce by stretching up to one alif or two harakat. Recite like this: mihadan, mihadan. The next is ain khada zabar a, lam zerli, ali. Meem peshmu, alimu. Here this is khada zabar, vertical harakat, and we pronounce vertical harakat by stretching up to one alif or two harakat. Recite like this: alimu, alimu. The next is kaf ज़ेर की, ता खड़ा ज़बर ता, किता. बा दो पेश बुन, किताबुन. This is vertical harakat or vertical zabar, and we pronounce vertical harakat by stretching up to one alif or two harakat, and this is tanween, two pesh. recite like this: kitabun, kitabun. The next is sin zabar sa, lam khada zabar la, sala. Mim do pesh mun, salamun. Here vertical zabar or vertical harakat, and this is tanween 2 pesh. Vertical harakat we pronounce by stretching up to 1 alif or 2 harakat. Recite like this: salamun, salamun. Okay, this is the lesson number 10, part 5. Inshallah, in coming videos, next video, we will learn more about these rules. Thanks for watching. Kindly visit my website madaniislamicacademy.com. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.